Good morning. This video is an overview of the first part of the Crate Top 16 video. I do realize the audio is very quiet there. This video is an overview of the first couple of steps to this particular project. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to sign in to Onshape. If you do not already have an Onshape account, you will need to create one. It does take a couple steps. You can just use your school credentials and use your Gmail information. Once you're into Onshape, the first thing that you're going to do is go to Create, Document, and you will want to give the document the name, and this particular document is Crate Top 16. And it's going to start out that you can see all three of your working planes. You are going to want to right-click on the front plane and choose New Sketch. You're then going to want to right-click on Sketch 1 and choose View Normal to Sketch Plane. And then you are ready to start by drawing your rectangle. Escape, dimensioning your rectangle 16 by 3.5. And that should be caught up to speed as to where the audio starts to improve in the video, and you can continue from there. If you have additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I will do what I can to assist you. Thanks, and have a good one.